Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back. Today I want to make a video about where I'm at today. And it's like paradise. It's paradise. And it's not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be a short video of where I'm at. And I want you guys to just enjoy it. It's not gonna be like usual content, which I barely make any content. But I got a video coming soon. And I'm in the Bahamas with my wife. She's off doing business stuff with work, and I'm enjoying myself, checking out a few places, but I want to show you guys a couple things, so please join me. Like, come on guys, like look at that, is that paradise? I don't want to drop my phone. Look at the pools, look at the lights, look at the palm trees down there. Come on, look at the ocean. Come on, is that not paradise? So today I'm just gonna make a quick video about where I'm at in my room and just kind of share to you what's going on. There used to be a cruise ship way down in that port, but I guess at some point in time it must have left while I was exploring. So I'm going to start this video off. This is the patio. There's a couple chairs, and then I'm on the 12th floor, so it kind of overlooks the ocean, the beach. Lots going on. Pools, which I'm going to explore tomorrow. And yeah, check it out. There's the Atlantic. Beautiful. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of my room. Just a quick tour, won't be a long video, just a quick tour, and I'm just going to show you how it is. So I'm at the cove on Atlantis Paradise Island. So you walk into the bathroom and you have your toilet. It's got a little foam in case something happens. I'm not sure what, if you run out of toilet paper. Nice little painting. And then you come out here and then you have your sink, which you got everything you need. The Jay's hat, my wife's stuff, towels, everything you need. And then you turn to the tub, which is, my wife used it earlier, she loved it. And then you have another sink with a mirror. So there's two sinks in the bathroom, and then a walk-in shower. Boom. Whoa, walk-in shower, pretty cool. And that concludes the bathroom tour. Not much going on there, but it's a pretty big bathroom. Then we walk out, we have this little area here. There's a little lamp, we got the sunscreen going, a little bit of water, and then you flip over to the walk-in closet. You got an extra pillow, an extra blanket, an iron, my wife's hat, a bunch of our clothes, t-shirts, my wife's dresses, our jerseys, and then our safe. And that's just where we kind of keep our passports and important information for when we fly back home to Canada on Friday. Next, we walk into the bedroom. There's a desk, a little coffee maker, a little desk area to work on. And then you turn to there's a king-size bed, a little lamp, TV area, and trust me, it's pretty comfortable, this king-size bed. You know, we just got a little night table, and then our suitcases, my wife's is right there. And then there's this little like area where you have You kind of store your drinks like all right there. Like there's the ice, Sprite cans, some vodka, more Sprite, rum, vodka, whatever. I got a little map right there. But yeah, no. Oh, that's TV number uno. Whoa. And then we come down, what? 2 little steps. Then there's a little chair. And what? TV number 20? Whatever. Little lamp, little table, chair. And then there's like a little living space here. A little love seat, I guess. And then like right here is like, it's supposed to be like it's not a fridge, but it's supposed to keep like stuff at like 65 degrees Fahrenheit. So bought my wife some cans. It's peach. And then there's like storage, like glasses, blah blah blah, for coffee, wine, more cups. It's pretty luxurious. And right here is something locked. Don't know. But yeah, that's a little living area. And like I showed at the beginning, back out onto the balcony. There's the pools, the ocean, and then right across the way there's more resorts. That is the, oh jeez. There's one resort where our tour bus driver told us it was, I think you can rent the Michael Jackson suite, and it's $25,000 a night, and it's minimum 4 nights. So, well, a little bit out of my budget, but yeah. So, all in all, thank you for joining me on the Paradise Island, Atlantis, Cove Beach Resort. 12th floor, beautiful. Like, this is one of the nicest resorts I've ever been at in my life, and I haven't been at many. But this here, if you get a chance to, come here with your family, whatever it takes. Come here, enjoy yourself. Beautiful bars, beautiful restaurants, friendly people. So I got another video coming up in about a week and a half. It's gonna be something different. This is way different, but come and see it. And again, enjoy yourselves, and we'll talk to you guys again soon, and we'll see you again soon.